Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Today let us create landscape painting on suji or rava.
By mistake, rava splitted from my hand. I have collected it with this mini brush and pad. Let us pour the Fevicol. Spread it with hand. Let us pour the rava or suji on it. Tap it nicely.
Let us paint the landscape of waterfall.
Pink color now to show the colorful flowers around.
Let us do some stumpings with yellow color. Purple color. Dark green color in both the sides to show the trees. This side also. Yellow color. Brown color of mountain. We are going to show with some patches. Some black color patches to show the stones in the middle of the waterfall. Let us use now this peacock blue color to show the water effect and the water around. Some patches also we can create like this. Let us render some white strokes in the middle. Surface of rava is rough suji, and so again and again we have to give the strokes. Let us fill the sky with sunshine. Yellow color. It's chrome yellow color. This is fluorescent yellow and this is chrome yellow. Clouds with orange color. For rava painting we have to use stumping technique. Then only rapidly we can color it. We are using red color to show the sun, and like this round we have to move the brush. And now our suji or rava painting of waterfall is ready. Isn't it look very beautiful? Dear viewers, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my video in all your groups. Thank you very much for watching my video.